हेलो एवरीवन, टुडे इज 22nd ऑफ सितंबर और चलिए बात कर लेते हैं कि हम लोग क्या डिस्कस किए थे और आगे चल के क्या होने वाला है. सो what we are expecting next according to the data point. So the very first thing is that in yesterday's video we clearly discussed that yes, the big guys have made short positions, but the thing is that huge future short positions were built up and also put buying were there, but the main question was that will market fall. Okay, so I clearly said that what happens is when this everyone can see that put buying has been the big guys have bought puts, and also these like futures heavy put writing has been done by the FIAs and the prop decks. So क्या होता है कि when everyone buys puts, the big players algorithm, this gets triggered and they the algorithm, their algorithm starts shorting. Okay, so when everyone starts buying puts, their algorithm starts taking the advantage to eat those premiums. Okay, so that's what happens. I have continuously, like yesterday also I mentioned that in this video, that will market fall. Okay, yes, market will fall, but eventually it will fall. Okay, but the thing is that just the next day it doesn't happen for sure. So like today in the morning you saw that like in here the fall came, but after that what happened, like Nifty just shot up. Okay, and it went like more than a little more than its high in the morning, but yes, finally again came down, but we are coming to that. So first talking about our evaluation. So the performance, as you know, every Friday I discuss that. Last Friday also I discussed. So this Friday again for the whole of September, here just the Twitter members, just for the Twitter members, the whole of September, the analysis along with the post and whatever posts there were there. So all these links were given, have been given. So just go and check. And again, no tweets have been deleted. Those who follow me very well know, and those who don't, you can just, there are many websites where you can track my tweets and how many tweets I delete and everything. So that is for the thing. And talking about the members, so members again, the thing is that today in the morning, here what happened was things came down. Okay, so in the morning, like though Nifty came down again. So here what happened was when Nifty was coming down here, I very well saw that here also some big call buyers were active. Here also put writing is going on. I was just like waiting for the reversal, and then like just at 19,662 market suddenly sharply recovered. Okay, so just before recovering also, I mentioned that like in the middle I closed the trade, but again I initiated it here again here. So closed here again initiated at 60, and so the same quantity, okay, were initiated, and at 1021. So 1021 here 10. So this is the this is 10:15 to 10:20. So the very first minute of this candle, just at the bottom. And here also, those who follow me on Twitter, it was also mentioned on Twitter as well. So you can here it's all mentioned. Sorry, not this one. Here it's all mentioned. Okay, so you can just go and check the tweets and the timing of the tweets and everything. So again, this trade, what happened was, yes, at a very minimal profit, I just closed it at 3,000 profit. So at a very minimal profit I exited, but yes, this did not give a loss, and it gave a very sharp reversal. If I would have waited a little more, so I would have got more profits. It went more than 100 again. So anyways, again here the point is not that. The point is, the second point is like the next two trades were PE buying. Okay, so here closed at 91, and then so they're initiated at 60 and closed at 91. That was overall like the CE in the morning, the first trade. And then here 90,800 PE bought at 84 and closed at 101. This trade was also shared with the Twitter members. If you think that you want such analysis even in the future, so please don't forget to put a like, and even the members don't forget to put a like. see the members, you will think that I have paid. Okay, I have paid. Why would I just I don't care whether I like or not. So it's not like that. Don't think like that. See, look at in this view. That is, suppose whatever you have paid me, just go and pay that amount to someone else. Okay, so in the market, I mean, those who have millions of followers or whoever, I mean, you just go and pay them and see that whether you are getting the same accuracy and the same level of trading. Okay, so the same level of trades or anything, are you getting it or not? Okay, so that's the thing that I mean, if you're not getting it anywhere else, then you know that you can't buy it with money. Okay, so if you can't buy something with money, so you shouldn't evaluate that talent or whatever with money. Okay, so that's the point. So anyways, talking about here, so the next trade was also shared here, which gave a 20% return. And then again, talking about the last trade, which was only shared with the members, 19,700p bought at 68 and closed at 80. So that was at around 17 point something percent. Okay, whatever, so more than 17%. So the thing is that yes, that was the day. And here also, like I mentioned, one trade, this one. Okay, so just go and check it out. So here 5th of October shorted, this is 19,000, bought 19,950 CE and shorted 19,600 CE. Okay, so at these prices, and at the end of the day, if you have taken this, you would know that it's giving a very good profit. Okay, so if you look at here, that is the funds required is 43,366. Okay, so roughly 43,000. Out of that, even just today, it's almost giving at the end it was giving more than 1,900 profit. Okay, so I mean, it's giving a huge profit per lot, I mean. Okay, and yes, so if you are liking my analysis, please like it and please do share it among the other traders so that they can also take the advantage of it. And talking about Nifty, these dotted lines, as I told you, that these levels are very, very important during the intraday, and these greens and the blue lines, they are so the first priority comes to these greens and blue lines. Okay, then the next priority comes to these blue dotted yellow lines. Okay, so what happens, these blue and green lines, they are like multiple supports and resistance zones. Okay, so talking about here, that is the yellow lines gave resistance in the morning, and even the next time also it gave resistance, and that's why yes, if you notice here that when we bought this put, okay, so when I gave this thing, just notice, note down the time. I'm sorry for the sound, so nothing can be done. It's a procession that's going on. Here 1204, okay, bought at 84. If you see here 1204, so 84, that was the last, like after that, I mean, the price did not even go to below 83 also. Okay, so here what was the time, sorry, here if you notice 1204, so 1204 is here, that is 1215, so 1210 here, 1205, so you can think almost here. Okay, after that, like it was almost flat for some time, and then finally came down. So just at the top, I mean, I gave you the reversal. And here talking about our indicators, so indicators, like here if you see that, I mean, there was like sharp decline and then sharp incline. So I mean, market was very volatile, and then finally again the gap was created here, and finally Nifty again came down. Similar situation in Bank Nifty as well, like if you see here, that is again a gap was created during the midday here, so 1235, so again Bank Nifty also came down. So talking about the Bank Nifty levels here, if you see again here, yesterday it came down from 45,095 and then took support at around 44,076, sorry, 44,776. As I did, I mean, as we discussed a lot of the times, and again here 44,590. Okay, so whenever these yellow lines and the blue lines are very close, so I mainly focus on the blue line, so that's because they are top priority. So 44,590, the next support I discussed a lot of, I mean, many times in the past, yesterday also in the video I discussed. So market finally, Bank Nifty took support there, and if this breaks, then we will be seeing 44,288, okay, and then 43,940. So again, today FIs have sold and DIs have bought, but again, the more is on the selling side. So talking about the other data, EOD data. So coming to the EOD data, which is very, very important. So again, if you see that the prop decks, those who have made futures long, they are averaging out. Yesterday also they averaged out, today also they are averaging out. I don't know, they are again looking for some exit, but overall futures, FIIs and the prop decks, they are overall bearish, heavily bearish. Okay, so they are bearish, heavily bearish, but some prop decks, they are bullish and they are daily averaging it out. But we will again consider from this that it would be a sell on rise market. And talking about the option chain, so option chain data, if you see here, that is like as I told you, that their algorithm triggers when everyone buys puts, they also do put writing. So you see today they have done put writing, FIIs, okay. And talking about put buying, they have also done put buying, because why? I have already told you that this is a lot. I mean, this is something more than their hedging. They require for hedging. So this amount is more than that. So that's why this is there is some buying as well as hedging. Okay. So overall, it's how I'll talk about how you would consider it. So the thing is that yes, now you see that I said the right thing in the morning tomorrow. Sorry, today. And talking about yes, here also, like call writing has been done as well as call buying. Now you would say that call buying also has been done. Okay, so hedging plus buying also has been done. So these buyings are just to protect the futures short positions. If suddenly, like out of the blue, if market goes up, then these call buying would protect the futures short positions of the FIIs. Talking about prop decks, they have also like hedged there with some call buying, as well as they have done some call writing. And prop decks, they did not do any put writing, mainly they did put buying. Okay, so that's the thing. And now how would you consider this put writing of the FIIs? So the very first thing is that if next day market doesn't go gap down, or if market stays where it opened or flat, or goes a little bit up, what they would do is, first thing, they would try to minimize their put writing positions and increase their put buying positions. Okay, why? Because overall, and the second scenario is, if market gaps down, then also they won't be at a loss, because you now count you add how many put buying they did yesterday and how many put writing they did yesterday. Okay, so if you add up the put writing and the put buying, so you'll see that more put buying is there. So they are overall hedged, properly hedged, so they would take the market down, but slightly twist would be there in between. So what twist, we have to identify that during the intraday. But overall, as I said, like this, that's why I took this trade in this 5th of September, because we have a lot of time. So even if you consider this, that is the overall, like you are giving 43,000, okay, and you are getting max return of like almost 11,000. So even if I consider that, I am getting 8,000 profit from that also. Like, so I mean, if you see 8,000, so divided by we are getting how many returns, like 43,000, right? So okay, so now you see it's 18%. So almost like might be 18 to 19%, 18.6. So anyways, doesn't matter. So the main thing is that 18 or more than that is a very good percentage. Okay, and that too, I don't think it would take more than 1 week or 2 weeks. So let's see. And yes, so the very first week of expiry of the October series is in the September month. So this is a little bit of confusion. There might be confusion, but no, again, the main I have talked about the levels and everything. So as you can see, like you can plot them on your chart. So yes, I have discussed everything. So if you want such analysis, as I share with the members, you can be a part of the derivatives indicator group. And yeah, and you'll get access to the money flow indicators and complimentary access to the Telegram channel. And those who don't new here, you don't follow me, you missed this out. So see, 1 lakh becomes 1 lakh 20, 2 lakh 20, 12,000. So if you miss this out, so please do follow me on Twitter. So for more such updates, and don't forget to put a like. Yesterday I got likes, and that's why today again I posted my trades. So if you don't encourage me, I won't feel encouraged to post my trades. So please keep me encouraged, and I'll do my best, as you all know, those who follow me. And please do like, and please do share, and thanks for watching. Keep watching and keep learning and trade safely. See you in the next one. Enjoy your weekend, guys.